I just admitted Pooja to pre-KG. She's just 4 years old, but schooling has become so expensive. I started thinking, if schooling is this expensive today, how will I pay her college fees after 15 years? That is why I'm considering investing in mutual funds through Systematic Investment Plan or SIP. What is a systematic investment plan? Through an SIP, you invest a fixed amount every month or a frequency that you choose in a selected mutual fund scheme. Just like Pooja collects her pocket money in a piggy bank, I can also invest my savings regularly through a systematic investment plan. SIP investments could be as small as 500 or 1000 rupees per month. There is no upper limit. You too can start an SIP, keeping your long-term goals in mind, such as your child's marriage, higher education, or a vacation, and so on. In an SIP, you invest a fixed amount every month or a frequency that you choose. Over a period of time, it may help you grow it towards your target amount. How SIP works? I will help you understand how SIP works. I buy fruits for my family every week. 2 weeks ago, I paid 80 rupees for 1 kg of grapes. Last week, I paid 100 rupees for the same quantity. And SIP works somewhat similarly. If you are investing 1000 rupees every month, you may get 8 units of the mutual fund scheme. Next month, you may get 5 units if the market is high and 11 if the market is low. At the end of, say, 3 months, the price of your investments is averaged out. Why should you invest through an SIP? With SIP, investing is very easy. It also gets you into the habit of saving regularly. And you can start investing with an amount and frequency that you choose. Over a period of time, you can grow your investments towards a set goal. For instance, I could consider an SIP to plan for Pooja's higher education abroad. With a simple instruction, your SIP installment can be directly deducted from your bank. So remember, when it comes to investing in mutual funds, you could just SIP.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.